Hello, my name is Hugo Hanselmann, and I'm the CEO and founder of HuHeHa, a boutique advisory firm helping companies to thrive through digital transformation. I'm also the CEO and co-founder of Xenios, a software development company where we develop mobile applications and platforms. Over the years, I've led innovation, digital transformation, and helped customers in industries like hospitality, retail, food and beverage to really transform from a more traditional way of working to bringing digital to the core. I've also done that in corporates where I worked prior to starting my own companies. The first one was Daimler, the car company, where I really helped transform their ways of working from very traditional to way more digital. And then I moved to AB InBev, the largest beer brewer in the world, where in my last 5 years there, I was head of digital globally, transforming marketing and sales, bringing digital to the core, bringing digital into the DNA of that company, which now is been considered as one of the benchmarks in applying digital for what they do. I think having done that in the corporates as well as now helping companies to also transform. I see three ways of bringing innovation into hospitality, retail, and food and beverage today. The first way is to rethink the customer experience from the inside out. And what does that mean? It means that you are putting the customer or consumer or guest in the middle, and you look at the problems and also at the challenges this customer, guest, consumer faces. And how can you, as a brand, as a company, deliver services to that customer, consumer, and guest to solve those problems, to help face the challenges, or even to create a much better experiences. So it's really starting with your customer, your consumer, your guest, and from there, think of solutions where digital is part of that solution and solve the problems that they face to give them a better experience. The second way is about breaking silos between digital and physical. Some call it the phygital way. I think in this world today, digital is already everywhere. In the physical world, for sure. We have a smartphone in our hands, which is surely digital. We bring it into the physical world, and the things already come together by having services that in the physical world that use digital elements to enhance the experience and to improve the service. And the third way is thinking about ecosystems. So it's not just about transformation, it's about creating ecosystems. It's about looking who else is also serving the consumer, where I'm serving the consumer, and can I work together with those other services to build an ecosystem to really enhance the whole service. For example, if I go into a store, I want to pay with my phone, I need a point of sale system, I need a payment service provider, and all together we create a great service to make a transaction where the phone is used for the payment, but also then possibly later on a loyalty aspect is added to that as well, where then a loyalty service provider gets into the game. So, and here you have already several partners forming an ecosystem. So I think it's really important in today's world that we think outside of our own boundaries and are building ecosystems. So if you're in hospitality, retail, food and beverage, and you're ready to not just keep up, but also lead the next wave of innovation, I'd love to connect. Find me on LinkedIn, look up the websites of HuHeHa.com and Xenios.com and build something meaningful together. I'm here and open to help you become a leader in innovation in your space, in your industry. Thank you.